There's more than 27 million homes in Britain, each one using energy all day, every day. Nearly 3/4 of that energy is used for space and water heating. As a country, we spend £13.5 billion a year on heating our homes. That's a huge amount of energy. With the rising cost of fossil fuels like oil and gas, it's no wonder millions of families are looking to reduce their heating and hot water bills. But more worryingly, rising fuel bills are pushing some households into fuel poverty. The technologies we've used for years also produce too much carbon dioxide, which is something the UK government want to change to help us meet our climate change targets. We simply can't keep using oil and gas indefinitely. We have to switch to clean, renewable energy sources.
Now the good news is there's proven technology already being used in thousands of properties throughout the UK. It's a renewable, super efficient and affordable solution, but it's one that you might not have heard of. It's called an air source heat pump, and I'm here at a property near Milton Keynes to take a look at the latest EcoDan design from Mitsubishi Electric. So this is it, the EcoDan air source heat pump. But what is it? Well, I can tell you, you've been using the technology for years in your fridge, only this works in reverse. EcoDan sits outside in the garden or down the side of your property and just needs electricity and water connections to work. It takes free renewable heat energy from the air and upgrades this to provide all the hot water and heating your property needs, even when it's freezing cold and there's snow on the ground. EcoDan is designed specifically for UK homes and works at temperatures as low as -25 degrees Celsius. This ultra-quiet model can be installed under UK permitted development regulations, and because of its low sound output, it can be positioned virtually anywhere in a garden, making it neighbour-friendly. So what makes air source heat pumps so good? Well, it's all about energy efficiency. For every 1 kilowatt of electricity it uses, it can create over 3 kilowatts of heat energy, making it 300% efficient. This is called coefficient of performance, or COP for short. Compare this to oil and gas, which at best can only achieve a 90% efficiency, and you can see just how efficient air source heat pumps really are. Unlike other heating systems that give big pulses of heat into your property, the EcoDan maintains a constant ambient temperature throughout your home, so it's always cosy and warm. This makes it ideal to use with any type of heating system, such as underfloor heating or traditional radiators. Let's have a look at the hot water cylinder. Now, just like conventional heating systems, EcoDan works with a cylinder that distributes the hot water throughout the house. It can be controlled by wall-mounted displays, handheld remote controllers, or even via an app on your smartphone. Air source heat pumps are classed as a renewable technology, so they qualify for payments from the Renewable Heat Incentive, the UK government's financial incentive to promote renewable heat. For an average 4-bed semi, you could expect to get back over £7,000 over a 7-year period, so it virtually pays for itself. Mitsubishi also offer an optional metering and monitoring service package, increasing payments by over £1,500 over the term of the RHI, giving a total income of £8,500. Accredited EcoDan installers have fitted thousands of EcoDans in the UK over the last 10 years, so it's a tried and tested technology that's clean, efficient and low maintenance. The great thing about this technology is that it can also work in conjunction with other renewable energy solutions like the solar panels behind me. So if you're using oil or LPG to heat your home, the benefits of installing an air source heat pump really do stack up. You can add an EcoDan, or even better, replace your current heating with one. There's no smell, no risk of oil theft, no price volatility or inconsistency of supply. It's a clean, low maintenance proven technology, and with the government's renewable heat incentive payments, it will virtually pay for itself. You can save money on your heating bills while reducing your carbon emissions too. But more than that, you'll be future-proofing your heating for generations to come.